Okay, so the next part is really fun. We're going to start sequencing out what we've just chopped up. So I'm going to select pattern and number 1, and hopefully you can see the red flashing light. Looks okay, doesn't it? Alright, so we're on number 1. There's nothing in here right now, and if I remember correctly... Alright, so number 9 is simple enough that I think we can quickly set the BPM to match the pitch that we've got. So we're going to select, again, the first pattern. I'm going to hit the right button over here, and because number 9 was the last pad that I just pressed, I think it's going to remember that. So beat 1 and beat 3. The way this works is 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, so that's good to remember. And if I hit play now, alright, the tempo's all wrong. So I know I'm going to need to press the tempo, and let's bring it up. Left side, so A is a swing. We don't need swing right now. Right side is a tempo, and it's fast. It's like more than 170, I think. I think I went a little faster than I needed to here, but here we go. So you might be able to hear that just before this next beat, there's kind of like a tiny lull, I suppose, and it doesn't quite make it in time. Right? So if I went down even to like, I don't know, 140, you can hear that's not even fast enough. So I'm coming up 160, 170, 177, 178. Oh, maybe. Let's say 180. If I can get it to sit there. Alright, so I think we are off to a good start. 180, I don't know, that's a little fast, but we'll commit to it. If we wanted to change it, we'd go back and pitch down and then change the tempo, but this is alright for now. So that's pattern number 1, and it's super simple. Alright, let's think about the next pattern. So number 2, what do we got? I might be able to make that work, maybe 9 and 11. So we're going to go into the second pattern here, hit the right button again. We're going to start with boom and boom. Pad 9, we're going to change it to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 E and a, 4 E and a, something like that. So 1 E and a, 2 that is covered in all of that first sound. Then we're going to go with 3 and 4 like this. Let's see. Alright. Sort of makes sense what's happening now, doesn't it? Let's take one of these out. Alright. That's starting to sound pretty cool. Now, if we're going to go and chain these together, I hold in the pattern button, go 1 and then 2, then that should chain those together, looping them. Alright, let's try something for number 3 here. And out of the right mode, back into just, performance or playing around mode. I reckon that could be kind of fun on beat 1, like 13. So we're going to hit the record button, the right button, and what was it? We're going to start with 13, was it? Alright, so 13, we're going to go here and here. I could keep going with this idea. We'll take this button off again, then what were we going to go to? 15? 14. So then hit the recording button again, right button again, and we'll put that in here. So what does that sound like so far? Alright, that's a little faster than I need. Let's take one of these out. And let's take this one out. That's probably a little safer. Because we're at such a high tempo, everything from here is getting a little more difficult to use just because it's so fast and the timing becomes a little trickier. But just playing with 1, 5, 9, and 13 is enough to create some really cool chopped up patterns out of this. So what are we going to go to next? I don't know. Let's just put something in here. All right, and we'll change 9 to something else. I don't know. Maybe number, what is that, 5 or something? And then, I don't know what that was, but that's how we experiment. Here we go. Everything except for the last one worked there. I don't know, maybe 2? Still not really good. But what if we chuck it over here on 12? I don't know. Maybe not that far. How about this one? Maybe if we get something cool in here, that'll be interesting. What's that, number 8? Start to get a little bit overlap there, doesn't sound great. Alright, that's kind of cool. But what if we chuck something now in here? What could that be? We'll try the same thing again. What do we got? Alright, what if this was one of those snares? I'm pretty happy with that. And we'll do number 4. I don't know, just see what there is. Oh, that's right, I wanted to use 16. Alright, let's just start with boom, 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 boom. And take one of them out. And put them on the AND note, so what does that sound like? Interesting. Try it over here. Nope, try it here. What does that give us? And chuck something on here to bring it back to kind of sensible beat. Sounds a little odd, doesn't it? Let's go with something like this. We'll come out of that mode, select 16, and I don't know, maybe 16 belongs in here. That's cool, I like that. And maybe change 13 to something else now. What could be cool? Maybe 12? I don't know, what if we put one more thing at the end here? I don't know what that was, but okay. And what about like one more of them right at the end? Hey, that's starting to sound pretty good. So what we've got is 4. I don't know how long that took me, but thank you for watching this far into the video. Hopefully it's very useful. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How does it sound? Alright, I like that, but you know, maybe the main groove of this is number 1, and then 2, 3, and 4 are all kind of like fills. So we're going to chain a nice long pattern here. We're going to go hold in pattern. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Let's listen. Cool. So the next steps would be making maybe an alternate groove and then maybe some other alternate fills and then chaining them together in the same way. And that is, I think, everything for the tutorial, at least for this part. If I've left something out, please let me know. If you'd like some more, leave a comment down below and we'll see what we get to. So thanks everybody for checking this out, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.